You can produce content for your Instagram profile in different formats like text, image, and the video format. So in these video formats, you can consider the IGTV and the reels and the uh, feed videos. Okay, coming to the IG reels. So IG reels come up with the 15 seconds video and 30 seconds video and 60 seconds video, and the video should be the vertical video 9:16 aspect ratio. Coming to the IGTV, so IGTV is the more than 1 minute video, and it is also vertical video 9:16 aspect ratio. So coming to the images, you can upload one image or you can upload more than one images, also up to 10 images. So whatever the thing you are uploading more than one image, that's called the carousel. Okay, in carousels, so we'll get the most engagement because on the carousels people will swipe, and people will spend more time on your post, so you will get the better engagement. Okay Venkat, we are sharing, we have to produce the IG reels and we have to produce the feed videos and we have to produce the carousels and we have to upload the images. Okay, so then how can I produce the content for my Instagram profile? So I am already running YouTube channel, blog, then how can I produce the content for the Instagram profile? So I have to create again by fresh so the content for the Instagram profile. So if you ask questions like that, so I will say one thing to you: just repurpose your already have the content, just repurpose that content to Instagram profile. If you are running a YouTube channel and what are the videos available on YouTube, you can convert those videos into vertical versions and upload as a IGTV video, and you can take the small portions like 30 seconds, 50 seconds, 60 seconds video like that, and you can upload as a feed video, and you can take the small portions and convert it into as vertical videos, and you can upload as a IG reels. You can extract the audio version of the YouTube video, and you can prepare one beautiful image, and you can embed the audio, and you can prepare like a video but it will be like something podcast. Okay, so you can also upload these audio clips in the format of video to the Instagram. This also gets better engagement, and you can take the some lines from the video and you can convert these into beautiful quotes, and you can upload those as a images on the Instagram, and you can extract the audio version and you can convert what are the audio into text format, and you can take your selfie and you can upload your text and the image on the Instagram platform. So guys, in this way you can produce the content for your Instagram profile. Okay, so whether you are running a YouTube channel, whether you are running a blog, you can repurpose your blog or YouTube content to your Instagram profile using the simple technique content repurposing. Okay, so from if you are not using this method till now, at least from today onwards use this method and produce the content for your Instagram account. Okay guys, I hope this small video will bring some value on this awesome platform. Okay, thank you.